Welcome to this comprehensive guide on customer relationship management systems. In this video, we'll explore what CRM software is, why businesses use it, how to choose the right one for your needs, and best practices for implementation. Whether you're a sales professional, business owner, or just curious about CRM technology, this guide will give you a clear understanding of these powerful tools. So what exactly is CRM? Customer Relationship Management is a strategy and technology platform that helps you manage all interactions with your customers and prospects in one centralized location. Instead of having customer information scattered across emails, spreadsheets, and different team members' notes, a CRM system brings everything together. This gives you a complete view of each customer, their history with your company, their needs, and their preferences. The goal is to build stronger relationships, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately increase sales. Most CRM systems share three core components. First is contact management, which stores and organizes all your customer and prospect information in one searchable database. Second is communication tracking, which records emails, phone calls, meetings, and other interactions with each contact. This ensures your entire team knows what conversations have happened and what was discussed. Third is the sales pipeline, which helps you track deals as they move through your sales process, from initial contact to closing the sale. Beyond the core features, most CRM systems include additional capabilities. Task management lets you assign activities to team members and track their progress. Reporting and analytics give you visual insights into your sales performance, customer trends, and key metrics so you can make data-driven decisions. Customer service modules help you manage support tickets and track customer issues from start to resolution. Together, these features create a complete business tool for managing customer relationships. Why should you invest in a CRM system? There are three major benefits. First, increased revenue. By having better visibility into customer data and sales pipelines, your team can forecast more accurately and focus efforts on the most promising opportunities, leading to higher conversion rates. Second, improved efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks like data entry and follow-up reminders frees up your team's time so they can focus on building relationships and closing deals. Third, better customer relationships. When your entire team has access to complete customer history, you can provide personalized service, respond faster to needs, and build stronger loyalty. There are three main types of CRM systems to choose from. Cloud-based CRM is hosted on the provider's servers, which means you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. Setup is quick, costs are lower upfront, and the provider handles all maintenance and updates. On-premise CRM is installed directly on your company's servers, giving you complete control over your data and customization options, but requiring more technical expertise and higher upfront investment. Hybrid CRM combines both approaches, offering flexibility and control, but with added complexity. Most modern businesses choose cloud-based CRM for its ease of use and accessibility. When evaluating CRM options, focus on four key criteria. First, ease of use. Your team needs to actually use the system, so it must have an intuitive interface that requires minimal training. Second, integration. The CRM should connect seamlessly with your existing tools like email, calendar, accounting software, and marketing platforms. Third, scalability. Choose a system that can grow with your business as your team expands and you have more customers. Fourth, cost and pricing. Compare different pricing models and choose one that fits your budget while delivering good return on investment. Don't just pick the cheapest option if it lacks features you need. Successfully implementing a CRM requires a strategic approach. First, define clear goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your CRM. Are you focused on increasing sales, improving customer service, or improving team collaboration? Be specific and measurable. Second, get team buy-in. Your team needs to understand why you're switching to CRM and how it benefits them. Provide training and make adoption easy. Third, maintain data quality. Establish standards for how customer data should be entered and maintain them from day one. Bad data makes the CRM useless. Fourth, measure, and optimize. Track key metrics to see if you're achieving your goals, gather feedback from users, and continuously make improvements to how you're using the system. Be aware of common pitfalls when implementing CRM. User adoption is a major challenge. Even the best CRM fails if your team doesn't use it consistently. Combat this with training, clear expectations, and demonstrating value. Data quality issues arise when customer information is incomplete, outdated, or inaccurate. Establish data entry standards and assign someone to monitor quality. Integration issues can occur if the CRM doesn't connect smoothly with your other business tools, creating duplicate work and frustration. Finally, training gaps mean team members don't know how to use all the features available, so they underutilize the system. Invest in proper training and provide ongoing support. Let's recap the key points. CRM systems centralize customer data and streamline your sales processes for better visibility and control. Cloud-based solutions offer flexibility and ease of access, while on-premise options provide more control over your data. Success with CRM requires clear goals, proper training for your team, and a commitment to maintaining data quality. The right CRM selection depends on your specific business needs, team size, integration requirements, and budget. Remember, a CRM is not a magic solution by itself. It's a tool that amplifies good sales processes and customer service practices. When implemented and used properly, CRM systems are essential for modern sales organizations to build stronger customer relationships and drive sustainable business growth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.